Hello, friends. In every language, there are certain figures of speech that add to the value and the quality of whatever we say. One of such figures of speech in English is called a simile. It is actually an explicit comparison of two things which have actually no direct relation, but they bring out the character and the quality of that particular thing that we are actually attaching to some other word. उपमा, हिंदी में सिमिली को उपमा कहते हैं. किसी एक वर्ड की क्वालिटी या कैरेक्टर उभारने के लिए हम उसका कंपैरिजन दूसरे वर्ड के साथ कर देते हैं, जबकि डायरेक्टली उनका कोई लिंक होता नहीं है. लेट अस टेक सर्टेन एग्जांपल्स. एज ब्रेव एज ए लायन. Rana Pratap was as brave as a lion. Now we all know that lion is a very brave animal, and that is why it is called the king of the forest. And so was Rana Pratap. He was very, very brave. So as brave as a lion. Or as light as a feather. Feather we all know is very light. पंख ये बहुत ही हल्के होते हैं. This box is as light as a feather and I can lift it. As cold as ice. बर्फ ठंडी होती है. जिन लोगों में इमोशंस नहीं होते वहाँ हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? He is as cold as ice. Nothing is effective upon him. As gay as lark. लार्क एक बड़ी प्यारी सी चिड़िया होती है जो बहुत अच्छे मेलोडियस सॉन्ग्स गाती रहती है. And it appears to be very, very happy. So he is as gay as a lark ever since he got engaged. जब से उसकी सगाई हुई है तो वो लार्क की तरह खुश रह रहा है. So that is a simile as well. As cool as a cucumber. Cucumber हमें पता है उसकी क्वालिटी है कि वो बहुत कूल होता है. So a batsman should be as cool as a cucumber under every situation. एक बैट्समैन को एक कुकम्बर की तरह ठंडा रहना चाहिए. He shouldn't get angry. As clean as a whistle. His shot went through the ground as clean as a whistle. बिल्कुल साफ बिना किसी रोक टोक के. As deep as ocean. His thoughts are as deep as ocean. उसके विचारों में बहुत गहराई है. As different as night and day. कोई आपस में कोई तालमेल ना होना, कोई विचार ना मिलना, एक दूसरे की क्वालिटी बिल्कुल उलट होना. The two brothers are as different as night and day. As clear as mud. अब कीचड़ क्लियर तो होता नहीं है, which means totally unclear. Your views are as clear as mud. सीधा ये कह देना your views are not clear उतना impressive नहीं रहता. और अगर ये कहा जाए as clear as mud, it will be very, very impressive. As strong as ox. Ox is absolutely strong. The Russian wrestler was as strong as an ox. तो ये similes हैं, उपमा. Here we compare a particular person or particular quality with something which is not directly linked to him or her or his quality or her quality, but they add to the value of whatever we are saying. They make explicitly clear what we want to convey. As I was talking about as light as a feather or as cute as a kitten. His new doll or her new doll is as cute as a kitten. अब बिल्ली का छोटा बच्चा बहुत क्यूट लगता है, तो किसी टॉय को अगर कहना हो कि बहुत अच्छा बहुत प्यारा है तो as cute as a kitten. So friends, these are the similes, उपमा जिसको हम कहते हैं हिंदी में, and they actually add to the value of whatever we are talking about. That will be all for today. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Take care of yourself. Good luck.